Hi, I'm Eva Saha, and I'm here with your behind-the-scenes look at the Caterpillar MINExpo 2016 exhibit. Joining me now is Michael Murphy, who's going to tell us about a recent partnership between Caterpillar and a large global mining company to unlock the value in big data. How have you worked with this partner to gather and analyze data?
Sure. What happened is we had a large global mining customer who owns 44 large Caterpillar mining trucks. They really wanted to understand what is the power and value of analytics, using big data. They gave us 1 year's worth of data off their mine sites. And what they had is equipment management data. We had VIM's machine health information. We also had productivity information coming from the fleet management system, which in this case was MineStar. We also had oil sampling data, weather data, and we also had operator data. We ran it through our analytic engines and looked at that information and determined what improvements we could make in terms of equipment availability and utilisation for that customer, and how they actually could reduce their cost per tonne and actually prevent failures. Key things we learnt coming from this project, it's not just data by itself and running through the analytic engines. What we also learnt was actually having that subject matter expertise, people from the mine site who knew their information, as well as having the information from our own experts. Putting that together, we can make a big difference in terms of understanding what's going to happen to these machines.
How can miners benefit from gathering, analyzing, and really understanding their data?
Safety is always one of the big advantages. If you have, for example, a truck that breaks down on the haul road, it can cause a tremendous amount of work to get it moved. The other big value, of course, is improving equipment availability. In this case, we moved availability from between 2 and 3 percentage points. Then we could also increase utilisation in the order of 5 to 10%. And by actually understanding what was going on, we estimated the customer could save between $10 million in terms of repair costs and actually not requiring other trucks in the order of $5 million per use. So huge savings, especially in these days.
That's fantastic. Now, what can your other customers learn from this experience you've had?
Well, what the other customers can learn is that you can take your information you have today and actually work with both Caterpillar and the Caterpillar dealer and actually improve their cost per tonne on their mining operations.
We're going to save a lot of money and get big data right here with Michael Murphy.